Have you witnessed the magic of a banana pup transforming into a big plant? But when it did, it needed a bigger home. So I made some DIY grow bags from old rice sacks. Collected some cocoa fiber, garden soil and compost. After layering the base with cocoa fiber, we went ahead with shifting the plant. The plant had become so root bound that I had to remove as much surface soil as possible. The grow bag was alternately layered with rich brown compost and garden soil. Never having transplanted such a big plant, I really enjoyed the process. I had to ask for my brother's help as the plant was heavy. As we removed the soil bit by bit, the plant came out easily. Yay, we did it! You can see how the roots have held on tightly to the soil. Then, layer by layer, we filled in the remaining soil and compost. I was hoping that the plant would survive the shift. Yes, it was tiring but thoroughly enjoyable. In the remaining space, cocoa fiber was added as mulch. Within a few weeks, there were signs of new growth. I was longing to see multiple shades of green. And during rains, the plant grew wonderfully well. It gave us many pups, some of which have even bore fruits. And today, as the grow bag already has 2 thriving plants, it's time to move to its new home. Stay tuned to TLN for more such videos on sustainable living.